So today's topic is power and ground. So what is power and ground? In our mind suddenly strike power in the sense it's a VDD. So VDD and VSS. VDD and VSS. So power in the sense it's a VDD, ground in the sense VSS. So it's the sources of power and ground. These sources of power and ground is needed when transistor level circuit designed. So the sources of VDD and VSS is needed when transistor level circuit designed. For example, I designed one CMOS inverter. So it's a transistor level design. It has a two transistor. So one namely called as PMOS transistor and another one is NMOS transistor. So it's an input. This one is output. So this PMOS transistor is connect to VDD and NMOS transistor connect to VSS. So VDD means power. This VSS in the sense ground. So this power is defined with the keyword. So this power defined with the keyword supply 1. So power defined with the keyword supply 1. Ground is defined with the keyword supply 0. So supply 1 in the sense it represents power, supply 0 in the sense it represents ground. So supply 1, the sources of supply 1 are equivalent to VDD. The sources of supply 1 are equivalent to VDD and place logic 1 on the net. So place logic 1 on the net. The sources of supply 0 are equivalent to ground or VSS. Place logic 0 on the net. So supply 1 in the sense it's equivalent to VDD and place logic 1 on the net. Supply 0, sources of supply 0 are equivalent to ground or VSS. Place logic 0 on the net. Both supply 1, supply 0, place logic 1 for supply 1, logic 1, logic 0 continuously on the net. Continuously on the net throughout the simulation. So here the keyword of power is supply 1, keyword of ground is supply 0. This supply 1 and supply 0 place logic 1, logic 0 continuously on the net throughout the simulation. So how to represent power and ground in Verilog HDL code? So first one supply 1. So supply 1 is equivalent to VDD. Then come to supply 0. So supply 0 is equivalent to VSS. Then assign A equal to VDD. Assign B equal to VSS. So A is connected to VDD, B is connected to VSS. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.